We've got, I just got done doing a number of shows, trade shows, and we have brand new stuff that maybe people aren't aware of at this point. We've got this great deflator that's going to run off an ego battery. Have you seen that?
No, huh?
Okay. So it's amazing. It's 160 PSI. So it's got some cojones to it. You can top off 27 SUV tires with this on a 2.5 amp hour battery, right? You can inflate a queen
Wow.
sized air mattress in under a minute with this thing. It's got like this little magnetic lantern light that you pull out of the front of it that has a magnet on the back. So you can put it on the wheel well of your car. So you can, when you're filling up the air in your tire, you can see what's going on. It's got a rafter hook to it. I mean, the thing is only this big, and you can put it in your tent, and you can change the color temperature of the light. So it goes from like work light, which is bright, down to yellow light, which won't attract bugs. I mean, that is amazing. We've got this brand new, you were talking about inverters. We've got a new power station that has pass-through solar, right? So you can just put your solar panels, which we make and sell, um, behind it. And then in about 6 hours time, you can charge two 6 amp hour batteries. And while they're charging, you can actually discharge, right? It's got a 900-watt charger in it. So if you plug this in, it becomes a smoking fast battery charger as well. And it's all Bluetooth. It's all IoT. It's about half as much weight as our previous inverter. It's a little less powerful. It's 2100 watts on startup and 1400 for run, but it'll do everything other than corded power tools as far as running them. I mean, it does everything you would ever want in life. So we've got that. We've miniaturized some things like our pressure washer. We have a smaller pressure washer now. We've got a smaller vacuum now. We've got an amazing boom box. Have you heard that?
Yeah. Yep, I
Oh my
did.
gosh.
Yeah, I
It
went to
sounds better
the
than my Sonos.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I've got a Sonos too, and
Yeah.
I was blown away. I love that because we went and met Tim over at the place that's over here by my house that it opened up, and he was showing us all sorts of stuff, and of course the little electric bikes, the
Oh my
motorcycles.
God. People
Those are so
love that.
cool,
Yeah.
so cool.
Yeah. So, we have, you don't do this in Atlanta much, if at all, but we've got a power shovel now, which is fantastic. A second iteration. We've got this really cool roto cut.
Wait,
This will be
a
great for
power shovel?
consumers. Yeah. So yeah, it's not like a cartoon where the thing goes like this. It's like a small snow blower on a stick, and it'll throw snow probably 25 feet in either direction. So it's
Ah,
perfect for
gotcha.
patios,
Wow,
sidewalks, a 4-car driveway. It's great. And again, it's not like a
awesome.
big thing that takes up a lot of space. Just go out there and do it, you know? The roto cut, first we introduced it in Europe. It looks like two 9-inch circ saw blades at the end of a power head. So it looks like a string trimmer, right? But it's got these two blades that are oppositional. And so what they do is they cut, but they don't fling like a string trimmer would, right? So grass isn't going everywhere.
Okay.
It just cuts it and drops it. And it's got probably an inch cutting capacity. So you can do little heavy grass for sure, but it's fantastic and it's quiet, and you're not putting marks in siding. You're not like wrapping string around chain link fences. You
Yep.
just have to be, just aware
Because
where you are,
that's
and you can use it to edge. So it's cool.
and
So all that is just coming
yeah,
out. Yeah.
that's very cool because that's one of the things is with electric, I have noticed that it doesn't fling the rocks as hard and fast, and because you can have more control on your power. But there's still occasional guy that'll go into the gravel and try and hit that weed and,
Yep.
and then we got to get another window for somebody. But, we use already the brush cutter attachment.
Yeah.
Love
Mhm.
it.